To activate eSIM on a Motorola smartphone, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to the Network and Internet. And then in here, we're going to go to the SIMs and Mobile Network. Now, if your Motorola supports eSIM, because not every Motorola has the option to activate eSIM, you should be able to find the Download New SIM option or something similar. So you want to select this option, then choose Setup an eSIM, and after a couple of seconds you will activate the rear camera so you can scan the QR code that is given to you from the carrier or operator, so you can scan the eSIM QR code. You can also tap on Enter Activation Code in case you want to do that instead of scanning the QR code, or you can scan the QR code from a photo if you have the screenshot, for example, or a photo of the QR code. Now, once you scan the QR code, you will have to set it up. Tap on the setup in the bottom right corner. Just follow the rest of the instructions until you go back to the menu of the SIM settings. So now in my case, I need to tap on the settings in the bottom right corner. There we go, I have my eSIM and I need to tap on the switcher to actually turn it on. So remember that you might need to activate it like that. Leave a like and subscribe.